welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we're talking about mistakes, so let's get started. What was the mistake you once made? One mistake I made was forgetting my friend's birthday. Or, you could say, a significant error I committed was neglecting to remember my friend's birthday. When and where did you make this mistake? This happened a couple of years ago when we were at a party. Or, this incident took place a few years back during a social gathering we attended. How did you feel about this mistake? I felt really embarrassed and sorry for not remembering. Or I was overcome with a sense of embarrassment and deep regret for not recalling the important occasion. How did this mistake affect you? My friend was disappointed, I felt bad but let them down. Or the consequences of this oversight were that my friend felt disappointed and I experienced a sense of guilt for failing to meet their expectations. Okay, so that's all the questions. Next up is our reading passage. Read along, it's intended to give you more of an insight into the topic at hand. Mistakes are an inevitable part of human experience. From early childhood through adulthood, everyone encounters errors, missteps, and failures. Whilst the society often stigmatizes mistakes, viewing them as setbacks or evidence of incompetence, a growing body of research and personal testimonies suggest that mistakes play a critical role in learning and personal development. This reading passage explores the various dimensions of mistakes, their implications, and how they can be leveraged as powerful tools for growth. Mistakes occur when actions do not produce the intended outcomes. They can arise from a variety of sources, including lack of knowledge, inexperience, poor judgment, or unforeseen circumstances. Despite their negative connotations, mistakes are a natural part of the learning process. When individuals attempt something new or push their boundaries of their current abilities, errors are bound to happen. These experiences provide invaluable feedback, highlighting areas that require improvement and offering opportunities for reflection and growth. Educational theorists and psychologists have long emphasized the importance of mistakes in the learning process. Constructivist theories of education, such as those proposed by John Peart and Lev Vygotsky, argue that learning is an active process of constructing knowledge through experience and interaction with the environment. Mistakes, in this context, are seen as a critical component of experimental learning. When students make errors, they are prompted to reevaluate their understanding and develop more sophisticated cognitive frameworks. Research supports this view, demonstrating that students who are encouraged to make and learn from mistakes tend to develop better problem-solving skills and a deeper understanding of the material. For instance, a study by Mani Kapoor introduced the concept of productive failure, where students are allowed to struggle with complex problems and make mistakes before receiving instruction. The findings revealed that students who experienced productive failure showed greater conceptual understanding and transfer of knowledge than those who were given traditional instructions from the start. In the professional world, mistakes can have significant consequences. They can also offer valuable lessons. Companies that foster a culture of learning from mistakes often see enhanced innovation and resilience. For example, the tech industry, known for its rapid pace of change and innovation, often embraces a fail fast, fail often mentality. This approach encourages experimentation and risk-taking, understanding that failures are an integral part of the innovation process. Moreover, leadership plays a critical role in how mistakes are perceived and handled within an organization. Effective leaders model a growth mindset, viewing mistakes as opportunities for learning and improvement, rather than grounds for punishment. This attitude can help create an environment where employees feel safe to take risks and innovate, ultimately driving the organization forward. On a personal level, the ability to navigate and learn from mistakes is closely linked to resilience. Resilient individuals are better equipped to cope with adversity and bounce back from setbacks. Psychologist Karen Dumas Research on mindset highlights the difference between a fixed mindset, where individuals see their abilities as static, and a growth mindset, where they view abilities as malleable and improvable through effort and learning. Those with a growth mindset are more likely to embrace challenges, persist in the face of obstacles, and view mistakes as a natural part of the learning journey. Mistakes, though often feared and avoided, are fundamental to progress and personal development. Whether in educational settings, the workplace, or personal life, the ability to learn from mistakes can lead to greater understanding, innovation, and resilience. By shifting our perspectives on mistakes from one of failure to one of opportunity, we can unlock their potential as powerful catalysts for growth and success. Okay, I hope you found that insightful. Next up is our range of vocabulary expressions. Take a look. Error, misstep, failure, setback, feedback, reflection, improvement, learning curve, productive failure, growth mindset. And lastly, we have our paraphrasing exercises. Have a go at putting some of these into your own words at home. We have 5 questions for you to paraphrase, 4 statements for you to paraphrase, and 4 descriptions for you to practice paraphrasing. I'll leave you to it, and as always, thank you for listening. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.